on finance, then click on create bill. And once you've clicked on create bill, you'll now select an academic session in which you must have created previously, okay, in the setup. So for instance, now select second term, then select the class. You would have to create bills because different class would have different bills. So you can click, let me create for year 1, then we'll set amount. So the amount, assuming it is 100,000, so you put 100,000, then the bill, you can upload the bill. It must be in PDF, a ping image, or a JPG image, okay? So that's how it should be. So you can just select the image of the bill. After you've selected it, then you'd create it. So once you've created it, it will automatically be added, okay, as a bill you've just created. So the next thing is that you need to add the bill, because now that it has been created doesn't mean that it has been added as a bill to each of the students. Okay, so what you need to do in that case, you would see this icon over here and click on add bill. So when you click on add bill, you wait for the add bill page to open. Then when the add bill page opens, you would now select the session. So let's assume we created for the second term. We also created for year, or let's create for year 1, the first term, and create the one. Then let's actually select this. Okay, so you will see the bill. These are all the bills you've created. So you can see the first term, the session, and the year. Second term, session, and year. This is the one I actually created. So now let's assume we pick for this. So we had it. So every time you can create the bill and you can add it to a class. So each class would have a different and separate bill. So once we had it, we've added the bill to everyone in that particular class. So the bill has been added. But because the bill has initially been added previously, that is why that response came up. But if it's a fresh bill that has never been added to a student, you'll see that it will now be added. But once you've added the bill, and for instance, a new record comes in and you decide to add, all you need to do is still follow the same process and add the bill to the student. It would update the bill of that particular student. So that's how to go about it. So once you've added it, all the students, the bill will be added. So the bill has been added to all the students. Then to remove bill, you could also select a student and you can select the particular bill of that particular class and remove that bill. But this might not be important if there's no bill that needs to be removed, because in most cases the bills are not normally removed. Once it's added, then the student needs to pay for that particular term. So now that is it about adding bill and creating bill. So like I said, first you first of all create the bill. After you created the bill, then you add the bill to all the students in that particular class. So that's how to create bill, then add bill.